Hey guys, another week, another video. Today we're going to make these delicious meat pies. So tag along. First, we're going to start by making the dough. We're going to need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, some baking powder, some salt, and because I'm extra, I added some sugar. To that, we're going to add butter, which should be at room temperature. We're going to do the rubbing method to incorporate everything. Next, some milk, though you can use water. So for the 4 cups of all-purpose flour, I used a cup of milk, which was at room temperature. And as you can see, everything mixed up well. Time to knead your dough for about 3 minutes. You don't have to over knead it. Then we're going to set it aside for about 30 minutes for it to rest. While the dough is resting, we're going to make the fillings. So in a hot sufuria, add some vegetable oil, onions, we're going to cook them until they turn golden brown. Then we're going to add my match made in heaven, that's garlic and ginger paste. Then we're going to go in with the minced beef. Then I'm going to go in with some salt, mix, some thyme, some oregano, some paprika, some turmeric, black pepper, curry powder. Yes, then mix everything. Then of course some carrots, and if you wish can add some potatoes, Irish potatoes. Then I went in with some blended tomatoes. Then wait for it to cook for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, the minced beef is ready, but I need the water to dry up. Back to our dough. Time to spread it out. we want a perfect circle, so I'm going to use this ball to get that circle. If you have a, how is it called, a meat pie maker, good for you. You will also need an egg, one beaten egg for the binding. So in the dough you're going to add minced beef, then you're going to apply the egg around the dough. And then you're going to use a fork to make sure that everything is well binded. Repeat the process for all the meat pies. Next, we are going to arrange all the meat pies in a baking tray. Then we are going to rub it with some egg wash to help with the brown color after they are baked. You don't have to rub all the two sides, but because I'm extra, that's why I rubbed the egg wash on both sides. Bake them for at 180 degrees for 30 minutes, and these are the results. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.